Hey guys, it's Nanda with Nanda's Crafts. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys all my gift tags that I made using recycle boxes. If you are new to my channel, I love to save recycle boxes to make cardboard panels, gift tags, Christmas ornaments, and gift boxes. And here's some of the boxes that I like to save to make this type of projects. So here's the Pop Secret, Ritzy, fruit snacks, cereal boxes, any kind of cereal boxes, and Cheez-Its boxes, graham crackers. All these type of boxes are great to make this type of projects, and that's why I like to save them. Okay, so let's get started now. And after I'm done showing all these gift tags in here, we are going to make one together. And as you can see in here, some of them has the string and some of them has just the paper bow. I really love it the way they turn out. So all the embellishments that I use in here, some of them is from all over the places. Walmart, Target, Dollar Tree, and some of the stuff that I'm using here is that I fussy cut and then I glue in here. You can just use whatever Halloween stickers that you have at home, whatever papers that you have at home. Just have fun and create your gift tags. Now let's make one together. And to make the gift tags, I have in here 2 metal dies that I'm going to use as my template. And if you don't have metal dies, you can use whatever gift tags that you have at home that you want to use it as a template. And then I'm going to use it in one of my recycle box, and I'm going to use the Pop Secrets. And then I'm going to trace just the outside of this metal die. The good thing of using a metal die gift tag as a template is you can trace in the inside part in another piece of paper, and then you're going to glue on top of your gift tag. So now I'm just gonna cut this. So now I'm going to flip it this side to this other side right here, and then I'm going to glue these 2 sides together. But first I'm going to use the sticky tape to apply only on the edges of the gift tag, and then I'm going to use this glue in here to apply on the gift tag, and then I'm going to glue the 2 pieces together. Be sure to press this together really well. I put too much glue, it's coming off from the sides, but that's fine. You can just wipe it off with a paper towel or with an old piece of cloth. And you need to keep pressing until the glue it's all dried out. So now I'm just gonna cut this and then I'll be right back. And there you go. The next step now is to put this under a heavy book to keep your tag flat. And here I have another one that it's ready to go. And then I'm going to start gluing the cardstock in this one over here. So here I have the white cardstock that I'm going to glue on both sides of the gift tag. But first, I'm going to apply the sticky tape just around the edges, and then after that I'm going to use this other one right here, and then I'm going to apply in here, and then I'm going to glue. So I'm going to do this on both sides. So now I'm going to use this orange paper, and I'm going to flip it to this other side. And I'm going to use my metal die gift tag, and I'm going to put it over here on the top. And I'm going to trace only the inside part of the metal die gift tag. Okay, next step is I'm going to apply the sticky tape, or you can just use this, or you can just apply the sticky tape around the edges and then go with this one in the middle. So that's what I'm going to do, and then I'm just gonna glue in here. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to use the nail file all around the edges in this side and in this other side too. If you think you don't need to use the nail file, you go ahead and skip this step. The nail file is just my preference. It's just the way that I like to make my gift tags in Christmas ornaments. So now I'm going to apply this black paint by Apple Barrel around the edges. I'm going to use a little piece of a sponge to apply the paint with it. Now I'm going to let this dry before I start embellish this gift tag. So now that is all dry, I can start embellish this gift tag. One more thing, if you want to punch a hole on your gift tag, the time to do it is now when your gift tag is like this. So if you do have the metal die in here, just find the spot where you're going to punch the hole in. And I'm just gonna mark, and that's when I'm going to punch the hole in here. And there you go. So after you're done glue the cardstock, you're going to have to punch again on both sides. And then you can just put the string in here and then embellishment your gift tag the way that you want. Okay, to embellish this gift tag, I'm going to use this haunted house that I fussy cut from the scrapbook paper, and I'm going to show you the scrapbook paper that I got this haunted house from. It is from this paper in here, so as you can see, there is a lot of other haunted houses in here that I can fussy cut and use it to embellish other things. And the words I got from this other paper in here. So here it is, the gift tag, it's all done. As you can see, I decided to apply the silver stickles all around and it turned out so cute. And here it is, the other one that I forgot to show you guys that said trick or treat. So they all turned out so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell to receive notification every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!